How to apply depth effect wallpaper on your Samsung One UI 7 device. This is my Samsung S25 Ultra running the One UI 7. So if you have any Samsung device running the One UI 7 version, you can apply these settings to effect the on your wallpaper. By default, you can see set the lock screen wallpaper. To apply the depth wallpaper effect, first of all open the gallery application on your device. Select the photo you want to apply at the depth wallpaper. So long press the object and you can see this option. Now tap on the three dots. Now tap on a save as an image option on your device. Now image save on your device. Now second step is go to the Play Store on your device. Select the Good Lock application or search for the Good Lock application on your device. Make sure install the Good Lock application on your Samsung device. After install, tap on open. Here you can at the bottom you can see the plugin option. Now find the Lockstar plugin on your Samsung device. Here you can see the Lockstar plugin. Tap on the download arrow icon to download the Lockstar on your device. Here you can see something went wrong. Make sure internet is working on your device. So turn on the Wi-Fi or a mobile data to install this on your device. Make sure connect your phone with the internet connection. Now here you can see connect the Wi-Fi network on my device. Now find the Lockstar application and install it on your device. So here you can see 75 MB size in the Lockstar application. So make sure install the Lockstar application. Now this is my lock screen. Now we apply the effect, depth effect. So tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style at the bottom left corner. Tap on the lock screen wallpaper. Now here you can find the Lockstar application. This option is only available after you install this module on your Good Lock application. So make sure install this. Now tap on a Lockstar. Now tap the app widgets at the top. Now scroll down until the gallery. Tap on it. Now tap on a image and stories. Tap on a add widget option. Now here at the top you can see tap to add image. So tap on it. Now tap the setting gear icon. Now select images. Here you can select the image you want to apply depth wallpaper effect. So here we select this. Tap on a done at the top right corner. Now here you can increase the size like this on your device. So set the image you want like this on your device. Here tap on a remove to remove it because we select the different image. So here you can adjust. Tap on a setting gear icon. Tap on image to show. Here you can select the image. Now here we select this image. Tap on a done option. Tap on a save option. Now you can adjust the image like this on your device. This is the depth wallpaper effect you can apply on your Samsung device like this. You can also adjust a clock size here like this to show on your screen. Also tap on this to apply effect wallpaper like here we set this. So it's quite easy to apply the live wallpaper effect on your Samsung One UI 7 or any other device. When set, tap on a done option. Now change apply to lock screen. Lock your phone and you can see apply depth wallpaper effect to lock screen on your Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.